Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TBLT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. I did this analysis on Thursday, so that is where the green line here comes into play. And that is also where I'm going to start off the entire video, because once again, that's a very important level, which, to give credit where credit's due, it did do a good job holding up. So that would certainly be the good news of the chart. There's some bad news also. But like I said, good news is at least the price maintained above 16.5 cents. And the reason why this level is so important, and I'm not saying this is what's going to happen next week, but if the price were to come back down to that level and then break down through it, well, what would you have at that point? At that point, you would quite literally have the price right back inside of that range of the chart where it already was. And when price movements go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. So 16.5 cents, very important from that level. But again, that is what just illustrates the whole idea that at least the good news part is the price maintained and once again bounced above that area. Now, of course, the bad news is that things started off very, very impressively on the day, had the big surge, went right up to that pink line, which I know I've talked in past videos is the key level of resistance. And unfortunately, once again, acted as resistance and back down the price went. So like I said, bad news and good news type chart. And, I would say that definitely the more important part was at least the price stayed above 16.5 cents. Because, yeah, you never want to see the price go back to where it was. And now, of course, you don't want to see the price necessarily always get rejected by resistance levels. But I'd much rather a resistance or a resistance level reject you rather than seeing the price totally collapse down through areas of support. So it's back to the drawing board. And, the price can make another good move up there. But at the end of the day, from a technical point of view, really two key core levels to watch. Support, 16.5 cents. Resistance, that 200 period moving average valued at 18 cents. So let's see if the price can eventually work its way back up there or not next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.